Hi! My name is Perseus Perez Presley and
My name is Dicta Limsteran bin Jalipin.
my age is 12 years old.
My age is 11 years old.
We are from SK Kemabung.
Padu mantap.
I want to show you our game. Our game name is the Bully Hunter. Our project name is the Bully Files. This game, you need to finish this game if you want to make justice. Click play button. Sorry, there's a bit he's a bit nervous, so we need to try again. You need to click the green button to start the game. You need to click this Bully Hunter if you want to see info about us. Tada! Click this info to disable it. If you want to see the instruction, just click the instruction button. After you read the instruction, click that X button, X letter. And then click the play button if you want to start the game. After you click that button, you can see this info.
Give me the tip.
If you want to play, just click the start game.
Find the
Mission 1. Mission 1 is the maze game. You need to find the clue if you want to solve this game. Sorry, the game we didn't finish this game, so we will finish this game. Okay, so you can play at IPG Cunningham. Mission 2, you need to find clue. Like this, you need to find the eraser. Where's the eraser?
Use is mine.
You need to find bottle to solve the mystery tree. Mystery tree, we didn't finish it, so we will finish this game today, so you can play this game at IPG Cunningham. Thanks for hearing our presentation. Thank you.